Hello and welcome in this video. In this video I want to have another example. So in this video two numbers I take from the user. This program will take from the user, and after it evaluates and finds all the prime numbers between these two numbers. Now I've comment out this and I want to start. I want to declare some variables, obviously number 1 and number 2, because I want to have two numbers from the user. I use count as well, so I have initialized this count with 0, and let's have j. So let's have two numbers from the user. Enter first number, which is number 1. First number will be here, and enter second number. Obviously it will be second number. Yes, at the address of number 2. Now let's have a statement. The prime numbers between this particular number and obviously there another particular number r, which will be num1 and num2. Now let's evaluate this. Having a for loop here, I just start from number 1, this I, and I less than or equal to number 2 obviously, and I will be incremented. Now just initialize the count with 0, and let's have once again a for loop. This for loop will j will be started from 1, and obviously j will be less than or equal to I, and j plus means an increment in j. Let's have a statement here. I just save modulus j equal to 0, and then this count will be incremented. If count equal to 2, let's have the bracket of this if statement. Just print %d and I. So this program is completely done. Let me run this, and after that we'll just see once again what has happened here. So it will take two numbers from the user, one after other, and after that it will evaluate and print all the prime numbers between that two particular numbers. Let's have 2000, and the second number will be this. So you just see that these are the prime numbers